What's up, guys? So today we're going to be working on this 1990 Miata. I bought this thing a couple of years ago and decided to strip the whole body off, make an entire cage around it. It's a fun little car, it just needs more horsepower. Thought about turbocharging this, but I don't know how much power this 1.6 liter can handle. So we're going to swap a 5.3 in there and with a CD09 out of a 350Z. So we're gonna try to get this motor pulled and transmission. I'm gonna try to pull it out without disconnecting the transmission from the motor. So it looks like the sway bar is going to get in the way of the engine coming forward. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that. Other than that, everything looks pretty good. Ooh, that should give me enough clearance. Okay guys, so the engine's coming out already. Forgot to hit record on the camera. Ready?
Yep.
Are we getting stuck on anything?
Huh?
Are we getting stuck on anything?
No.
So far, so good. What are we getting stuck on?
I have no idea. I think over here.
Huh?
Over here.
Oh shit. the O2 sensor.
Oh.
I'm just gonna cut that one. Or does it disconnect? Oh yeah, it does. Crap. Alright, there we go. We're good. Well, there's that. Where do we put this now? I have no idea. We have no room. Is that it? No. This way come. Alright guys, well there's that. Engine's out.
Look at all that room.
Now we just gotta start pulling some wires out. I had to rip a few wires, but oh well. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. I don't want to bore you too much with pulling wires out. I'll see you on the next video. If you have any questions, drop them below in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button.